What's up, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 BMW X3 xDrive30i M Sport. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 248 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, and you also have the 8-speed automatic transmission. So the xDrive30i is the basic X3, but you can get the M Sport package to make it look sportier. You also get this beautiful M Sport steering wheel. It's really nice. I love the M Sport 3-spoke wheel. You also have a heated steering wheel and heated seats. This one has iDrive 7. This generation of the X3 never got iDrive 8 because the new X3 came out in 2025. That makes sense. And yeah, I really like iDrive 7. I think it looks fantastic. And I made a video on the 2024 X3 M40i if you want to check that out as well. And this looks like the aluminum rhombical anthracite trim, which I really like. Here's the reverse camera. Paddle shifters behind the wheel. They feel great. And you also have a panoramic sunroof, and this one is the black leather, synthetic leather. This one looks like it looks like the synthetic leather, the Sensitech. And you also have the ambient lighting in the interior, which is nice. You just have the BMW sound system. For an upgrade, for a higher cost, you can get Harman Kardon. Let's walk around this car. I love the M door sills. This one's finished in, yeah, it looks like Alpine white. Or wait, no, this is mineral white metallic. And then here the M Sport wheel design. LED headlights, looks good. This generation X3 is beautiful. I love it. And like the M340i basic M340i will come with those wheels too, I believe. Here are the rear seats. And this has the really cool taillights. I love these taillights. They look like Halo energy swords. X3 xDrive30i badge on the back. And you also have a black rear bumper with dual outlet exhaust. The X3 M40i has black exhaust tips. Trunks actually looks pretty spacious. That's pretty cool. It's nice. But yeah, the X3 is a very popular crossover. It always has been. It's one of the most popular luxury crossovers. And this just looks awesome. I like the way this looks way better than the new X3. I'm not a big fan of the new 2025 X3 personally. I like this one a lot better. Let's get out on the road. This car just has a very simple design, which is inoffensive and just looks nice. It's clean. It doesn't look flashy or anything, which I really like. See, there's a beautiful X5 M Sport. Things like that. I love M Sport BMWs and M SUVs. It just looks so good. I love the steering wheel. M Sport steering wheels are awesome because they're just so thick, right? It just feels so good to grip, which I really like that. And this car also looks really good in Brooklyn Gray. White and Brooklyn Gray are both really good colors on this X3. But to be honest, as I said, with how nice the styling is on this car, you can't really go wrong with any of the colors, if I'm going to be honest. And I like how the M Sport says M in the gauge cluster. Smooth acceleration. This powertrain gives you the perfect amount of power for daily driving. It's no speed demon, but it's more than quick enough for what you need. And all BMWs drive great, as I always mention. BMWs are just so fun to drive, regardless if you get a base model or the top of the line M car. Like, this steering feels great. It's very nice and nicely weighted in the sport mode. Even in the non-sport, even in normal mode, it's just super nice. BMW's steering's fantastic, right? Like, this is a really nice car. If you want more power, you can get an X3 M40i, and if you just want crazy power, you can get an X3M. But like the X3M has more power than most people really need. The X3 M40i already has more than enough. The X3 M40i is already stupid fast. If you get an X3M, it's literally an M3 in an SUV. I've owned one of those before and it was an awesome car. But yeah, very, very smooth ride. Nothing surprising. It's just as I expected. Great car. Visibility is good too. So a quick U-turn. Nice turn. Yeah, see? Nice pickup. Really more than you would need. Let's put it in comfort mode now. And to control your screen, you can either use the touchscreen or you can use this iDrive controller. Smooth, very smooth. Love it. The brakes feel nice and smooth too. Also, yeah, BMW brakes are fantastic as well. BMW just makes very nice driving cars. Like the driving dynamics are all really good. The acceleration, handling, steering, braking, transmission, everything you can think of. But overall, very nice BMW X3 xDrive30i M Sport. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new, certified pre-owned, or pre-owned BMWs.